Beats Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this very beautiful looking wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful headband wig, and I'm also going to show you guys different ways to style this wig. As you guys can see, this wig is a very beautiful wig. It has the black on the top, and it's like an ombre wig. I love the touch of brown right here, as you guys can see. And with this wig, if you want a fuller look, you can just brush it out. That's what I did. I brushed it out and I used my hands to just pull it out to make it full, to give you like a full look. But if you want to have a smaller look, you can just wet it a little bit and then brush it, like, you know, comb it with your fingers, and you get a very beautiful coily, more subtle kind of look. So this wig is from Divas Hair Company. I'm going to put all the links, spec and everything in the description box below. You know, this headband wig, the great thing about it is just you put it on and off you go. No need for lace closure, gluing your edges and all those things. You just brush your hair back and then you just put it on and off you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So it came with all these accessories. And this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see the band and the combs as well.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want.
So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair and then do like a very simple braiding pattern.
Go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it.
So when I'm done with the braid pattern, I'm going to brush my hair and then I'm going to spray a little bit of water on my edges, and then I'm going to apply my Eco Styler gel. After applying the gel, I'm going to brush my hair and then apply the gel. I just want my edges to be sleek, you know. Then after that, I'm going to tie my scarf and then I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and come back. So now I'm done doing my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf, you guys can see. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. And when I put on the wig, I'm going to move it back a little bit to give it a more natural look. And then I'm going to go ahead and just brush it out to fluff it out a little bit because I want a fuller look. So I'm going to put on the first hairband right here, and then I'm going to style the wig with it.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
And this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's very nice.
Man to come and video this, you a murder me.
So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys another way to style the wig.
Murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So
And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into a bun, and this is what it looks like. This wig is so versatile. You can actually do so many styles with this wig, and it's so easy to install. Like, you have absolutely nothing to lose. And this is what the other style looks like. Very, very beautiful.
that's what make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down.
I really love this wig. And yes guys, that's what it's gonna be for now. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.